Okay, this review is for the GMC Yukon handles, or also for Silverado. This is a passenger side, so I just wanted to show you the makeup of it. These are, they're very well built. And when you get it, actually, I'm gonna take this off. Guess I'll pull this plastic off here so that we can see it open and close. They just put that on there to protect it so your finish stays nice. So that is good. It's nice and shiny. But the quality of it feels solid and heavy duty. So this is where your wire will attach, your rod that attaches to open the door will attach. And then, obviously you've probably already seen this, but the common place for these door handles to break is going to be right here where the threaded part breaks, or the glue comes out right there and right there. So this is a passenger side. Now the difference in the driver's side, here's the driver's side door. You can see it's got the hole for the key to go in. But same thing for this as well. You can see how it operates. Operates really good. This is metal here. Everything else seems to be plastic and chrome finish. So this is the driver's side door that I'll be changing out. It's got the keyhole right there. But this is what it looks like. So here's the driver's side door that I'll be changing out. It has the keyhole. And here's the driver's side door. This one is a little loose, but I'm actually replacing the driver handle on another vehicle. But as you can see, it has the hole for the key. And on this rear side here, I'm going to replace this because the handle actually broke. But this is the common problem you get. It pulls away because the bolt has stripped out and that glue inside has come loose as well. So these handles are made for GMC Yukon or the Tahoes, also as well as trucks, Sierras, and Silverados.